Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bubble, build no-code web apps step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser of choice. In the address bar, type in the URL, bubble.io. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Bubble homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Login button located in the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, you will see fields to enter your email and password. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once you've entered your email and password, double-check for accuracy. After confirming your details, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Bubble dashboard. Now you can start building your no-code web apps. Explore the various features and options available to enhance your project. If you're new to Bubble, consider checking out some tutorials for guidance. Enjoy creating with Bubble and take advantage of the no-code platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.